Raster layer creation and manipulation in ArcPy. Hello guys. This tutorial demonstrates how to manipulate raster layers using ArcPy, focusing on loading, accessing properties, querying values, and reprojecting rasters. First, load raster layer. To load a raster file into ArcMap using ArcPy, we use the make raster layer management function. This step creates a raster layer from the raster dataset. Firstly, we import ArcPy, then set workspace arcpy.env environment.workspace equal d/udemy/arcpy/data. So the workspace is data folder in this path. After that, define input raster file path, raster input equal my path dim subset.tif. After that, create a raster layer, output layer equal dim subset layer 1, for example. After we define input and output, from the ArcPy, we use the function make raster layer management using raster input, which is dim subset, and output layer, which is dim subset layer 1. Then print confirmation message, raster layer created successfully. We copy the script and paste it inside Python console in ArcMap. Ctrl V, then double enter. In the output, raster layer created successfully. And it is added to layers. Dim subset layer 1. Number 2, copy Python script from previous process in ArcMap. First, run a geoprocessing tool. Execute any geoprocessing tool, for example, copy features, buffer, clip. Then open geoprocessing results window, go to geoprocessing. Results. This opens a panel showing previously executed geoprocessing tools. Find the previous process, expand the relevant session, current session, for example. Then locate the success process, for example, make raster layer. To copy as Python snippet, right-click the process and select copy as Python snippet. After that, paste it inside the Python console in ArcMap. Ctrl V. For example, we can change the name, the output. Let's name it dim subset layer 2. Enter. Result dim subset layer 2. Created and added to layers. This method allows you to extract the exact Python command ArcMap used to run the process, which you can then modify or automate in scripts. Number 3, accessing raster layer properties. You can access properties of a raster such as its extent, dimensions, band count, and coordinate reference system below in an example. Import ArcPy, then define input raster file path. Raster path equal my path to dim subset.tif. Then check if raster exists. If ArcPy.exists raster path, create a raster object. Raster equal ArcPy.raster raster path. Then get raster extent. Extent equal raster.extent and print raster extent for curly brackets for dot format. Extent x mean, extent x y mean, extent x max, and extent y max. Then get raster dimensions, columns and rows, width equal raster.width and height equal raster.height. Print raster dimensions, dot format width and height. Get number of bands. Band count equal raster.band count and print number of bands dot format band count. After that, get coordinates. CRS equal raster.spatial reference, then print coordinate reference system, CRS, WKID, dot format from CRS extract name and CRS.factory code. Else print raster file does not exist. We copy the script, Ctrl+C, then paste it inside Python console. Ctrl+V, then double enter. As a result, raster extent 42.28, 36.77, 44.40, and 37.02. Raster dimension 3,159 and 1,036. Number of bands, 1 band. Coordinate reference system, GCS WGS 1984. WKID is 4326. Ask for raster band manipulation. To obtain statistical values such as minimum, maximum, mean, and standard deviation of raster bands, you can use the following approach. For raster band manipulation, we use this script. Coding is UTF-8. Import ArcPy. Define the path. We name it raster path. And type is dim subset. If ArcPy exists, raster path. Create raster object. Raster equal ArcPy.raster. Raster path. Get raster band count. Band count equal raster.band count, and ensure you are working with the band 1. Band index equal 1. If you are working with a different one, you should adjust it. Then use get raster properties function to get statistics. Minval for minimum. From ArcPy, use get raster properties management function. Use raster band and extract minimum. Dot format band index dot get output or band 1. In the same way, maximum value, extract maximum, mean val, extract mean, and standard deviation, extract std. Convert string outputs to float for numerical use. Min val equal float min val, max val equal float max val, and the same for mean and standard deviation. Then print band index, mean with the 2 digits, mean val, and maximum, max val, mean and standard deviation. Else print invalid raster. We copy the script and paste it in Python console. Double enter. Band 1, mean is 413, maximum 2309, mean 1024, and standard deviation 351.73.